In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an Instagram feed to your Webflow website step by step using a simple no-code method. This is perfect if you want to display your latest Instagram posts, build social proof, and keep your website content fresh automatically. You don't need any coding experience, and the setup only takes a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Webflow and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Elfsight apps catalog. Elfsight is a popular widget platform that lets you easily embed social media feeds into websites, including Webflow. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your Elfsight account. If you don't already have one, you can quickly sign up for free. After logging in, click on the catalog option. This is where you'll find all available widgets. In the search bar, type Instagram and look for the Instagram feed widget. This widget is specifically designed to pull posts directly from your Instagram account and display them beautifully on your site. Next, choose a template. Elfsight provides multiple layout options such as grid, slider, masonry, and carousel views. Click on any template that best matches your website's design. Don't worry too much about choosing the perfect one right now because you can customize everything later. Once you've selected a layout, click on Continue with this template. This will open the widget editor where you can connect your Instagram account. Follow the prompts to authorize Instagram so Elfsight can access your feed. You'll be able to choose whether to display posts from your profile, a hashtag, or tagged posts. After connecting your account, take a moment to customize the feed. You can adjust spacing, colors, number of posts, hover effects, and even enable or disable captions and likes. This helps your Instagram feed match your Webflow site's branding. When you're happy with how everything looks, click on Publish. Publishing generates an embed code for your Instagram feed. This code is what you'll use to add the feed to your Webflow website. Now, click on Copy Code. This copies the embed code to your clipboard. Keep this tab open because we're heading into Webflow next. Open your Webflow project and go into the designer. Navigate to the page where you want your Instagram feed to appear. From the Elements panel, drag an embed element onto the page. Click inside the embed element and paste the Elfsight code you copied earlier. Then click Save and Close. Once the code is added, publish your Webflow site. After publishing, refresh the live page and you'll see your Instagram feed fully embedded and working on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added an Instagram feed to Webflow using Elfsight. This is a great way to keep your website dynamic and connected to your social presence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's building a Webflow site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.